Ferrari 458. Installation is done. Phone in the pocket. Let's see how it works. As you can see, it took a few seconds, and now we are connected to Carplay wirelessly. No cables visible. It's using the original microphone for music, for calls, sorry. You can see it's used with using the original knob to control the menu. Maps. Music. Long press menu button. Switches between original Ferrari menu. Long press again. Back to CarPlay. If you own a Ferrari and you would like to update your infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, just drop me a message and I can definitely help you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.